Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Deep Dive, the English podcast where we help you learn English naturally through real conversations, simple vocabulary, and everyday topics.
Hello and welcome, listeners. We are very happy to have you here today. If you are learning spoken English, listening practice, or basic English conversation, you are in the right place.
Today's episode is special, warm, and full of joy because we are talking about Christmas traditions in English.
Yes, this episode is perfect for English beginners, ESL learners, and anyone who wants to improve English listening skills while learning about Christmas culture.
This episode, you will learn English vocabulary, common phrases, and simple sentences related to Christmas traditions, celebrations, food, decorations, family time, and holiday habits.
We will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can understand English easily and enjoy the conversation.
You can listen while relaxing, traveling, or practicing your English daily routine.
So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's begin our deep dive into Christmas traditions around the world.
1. What is Christmas?
Let's start with a simple question. What is Christmas?
Christmas is a holiday celebrated every year on December 25th.
Christmas is traditionally a Christian festival that celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ.
However, today, Christmas is also celebrated as a cultural and social holiday by people of many different backgrounds.
Many people celebrate Christmas with family, friends, food, gifts, music, and decorations.
It is a time of happiness, kindness, sharing, and togetherness.
For English learners, Christmas is a great topic to learn new words, phrases, and cultural expressions.
Words like Christmas tree, Santa Claus, gifts, decorations, holiday season, and winter celebration are very common in English conversations.
2. Christmas season and weather.
Let's talk about the Christmas season.
In many countries, Christmas happens during winter.
Winter weather is often cold, snowy, and cozy.
People wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, scarves, and gloves.
You may often hear English phrases like cozy weather, cold nights, and winter holidays.
In English-speaking countries, people often say the holiday season to talk about Christmas and New Year together.
The holiday season usually starts in late November and continues until early January.
This is a very festive time with lights, music, shopping, and celebrations.
3. Christmas decorations.
Now, let's talk about Christmas decorations.
Christmas decorations are very important in Christmas traditions.
One of the most famous decorations is the Christmas tree.
People bring a real or artificial tree into their homes and decorate it.
They decorate the tree with lights, ornaments, ribbons, bells, and stars.
At the top of the tree, many people place a star or an angel.
Decorating the Christmas tree is often a family activity.
Families spend time together, talking, laughing, and enjoying music while decorating.
Another popular decoration is Christmas lights.
People decorate their houses, gardens, windows, and streets with colorful lights.
In English, you may hear phrases like Christmas lights display or holiday lights.
Other common decorations include wreaths, candles, stockings, and garlands.
Stockings are usually hung near a fireplace or on a wall.
Children believe that Santa Claus fills the stockings with gifts.
4. Who is Santa Claus?
Now let's talk about a very popular Christmas character, Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is a fictional character who brings gifts to children on Christmas Eve.
He is usually described as a cheerful old man with white beard and red clothes.
In English stories, Santa Claus travels in a sleigh pulled by reindeer.
He enters houses through the chimney and leaves gifts under the Christmas tree.
Children often write letters to Santa Claus.
They write about their wishes and what gifts they want.
This is a fun way for children to express excitement about Christmas.
Santa Claus represents joy, generosity, and kindness.
5. Christmas gifts and presents.
Gift giving is an important part of Christmas traditions.
People exchange gifts with family members, friends, and loved ones.
Gifts are usually wrapped in colorful paper with ribbons and bows.
In English, you can use the words gift and present.
Both words mean the same thing.
People often place gifts under the Christmas tree before Christmas Day.
On Christmas morning, families open gifts together.
This moment is often full of excitement and happiness.
Common English phrases include open presents, Christmas gifts, and gift exchange.
6. Christmas food and drinks.
Now, let's talk about Christmas food.
Food is a very important part of Christmas celebrations.
Different countries have different Christmas dishes.
In many English-speaking countries, people eat a big Christmas dinner.
Common Christmas foods include roasted turkey, chicken, potatoes, vegetables, and gravy.
Desserts are also very popular during Christmas.
People enjoy cakes, cookies, pies, and puddings.
In English, you may hear about Christmas cake, Christmas pudding, and gingerbread cookies.
Hot drinks are also popular in winter.
People drink hot chocolate, tea, coffee, and spiced drinks.
Sharing food is a way to show love and care during Christmas.
7. Christmas music and songs.
Christmas music is everywhere during the holiday season.
People listen to Christmas songs at home, in shops, and on the radio.
These songs are often called Christmas carols.
Popular themes include joy, peace, love, and celebration.
Listening to Christmas music helps people feel festive.
For English learners, Christmas songs are a great way to improve listening skills.
They help you learn pronunciation, rhythm, and common phrases.
8. Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
Let's talk about Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve is the night before Christmas Day.
On Christmas Eve, families often have special dinners.
Some people attend church services.
Children go to bed early, excited for the next morning.
Christmas Day is December 25th.
On Christmas morning, people open presents.
Families spend the day together, eating, talking, and relaxing.
It is a day full of warmth and togetherness.
9. Family and togetherness.
Family is at the heart of Christmas traditions.
Many people travel long distances to be with their families.
Christmas is a time to reconnect and share memories.
People talk, laugh, play games, and watch movies together.
Common English expressions include spending time with family and family gathering.
Christmas helps strengthen relationships.
10. Christmas traditions around the world.
Christmas traditions are different around the world.
In some countries, people celebrate with large public events.
In others, celebrations are small and quiet.
Some cultures focus more on food.
Others focus more on religious activities.
Learning about different traditions helps us understand global culture.
It also helps English learners understand international conversations. 11. Christmas and kindness.
Christmas is also about kindness and giving.
Many people donate to charity during Christmas.
They help those in need by giving food, clothes, or money.
Acts of kindness are important Christmas values.
English phrases like spreading joy and giving back are common.
12. Christmas vocabulary review.
Let's review some Christmas vocabulary for English learners.
Christmas tree, decorations, Santa Claus, gifts, presents.
Christmas dinner, holiday season, winter celebration.
Family gathering, Christmas music, Christmas traditions.
These words are very useful for everyday English conversations.
13. Christmas shopping and markets.
Let's talk about Christmas shopping.
Christmas shopping is a big part of the holiday season.
People buy gifts, decorations, food, and clothes.
Many stores offer special Christmas sales and discounts.
In English, you may hear phrases like holiday shopping or Christmas sale.
Shopping malls and markets are usually very crowded during this time.
Some cities have Christmas markets.
Christmas markets sell handmade gifts, snacks, hot drinks, and decorations.
Walking through a Christmas market feels joyful and festive.
For English learners, shopping is a great real-life situation to practice spoken English.
14. Christmas greetings and wishes.
Now, let's talk about Christmas greetings.
People greet each other differently during Christmas.
A very common greeting is Merry Christmas.
Another common phrase is Happy Holidays.
People also say Season's greetings.
These phrases are polite and friendly.
People use them in conversations, messages, cards, and emails.
Sending Christmas wishes is a way to show care and kindness.
Christmas cards are very popular.
They often include warm messages and good wishes.
15. Christmas cards and messages.
Christmas cards are an old and beautiful tradition.
People send cards to family, friends, and coworkers.
Cards usually have Christmas pictures and short messages.
Common messages include warm wishes, happiness, and peace.
Writing simple Christmas messages is good English practice.
It helps improve writing skills and vocabulary.
Digital Christmas messages are also common today.
People send greetings through phone messages and social media. 16. Christmas movies and stories.
Christmas movies are very popular during the holiday season.
Families often watch movies together at home.
These movies usually focus on love, kindness, and family.
Christmas stories are also popular for children.
Stories help children understand the meaning of Christmas.
For English learners, movies and stories help improve listening skills.
They also teach common expressions and everyday English.
17. Christmas traditions for children.
Christmas is very exciting for children.
Children wait for Santa Claus and gifts.
They enjoy decorating the tree and helping in the kitchen.
Many children believe in Christmas magic.
They count days using an Advent calendar.
An Advent calendar helps children track days before Christmas.
This makes the waiting fun and exciting.
17. Christmas at school and work.
Christmas is also celebrated at schools and workplaces.
Schools organize Christmas events and activities.
Students may sing songs or perform small plays.
Teachers decorate classrooms with Christmas decorations.
Workplaces may have Christmas parties.
Co-workers exchange small gifts and greetings.
These activities create a friendly environment.
They help people feel connected and relaxed. 18. Christmas travel and holidays.
Many people travel during Christmas.
They visit family or go on holidays.
Airports and train stations become very busy.
Traveling during Christmas requires planning.
People often say holiday travel in English.
Travel stories are common during this season.
They become part of Christmas memories.
19. Christmas feelings and emotions.
Christmas brings many emotions.
People feel happy, thankful, and peaceful.
Some people also feel nostalgic.
They remember childhood memories and past celebrations.
Christmas can be emotional for many people.
Talking about feelings is important in English communication.
Christmas conversations often include emotions and memories.
20. Christmas and New Year connection.
Christmas is closely connected to New Year.
Both are part of the holiday season.
People reflect on the past year.
They make plans and resolutions.
This is a time of hope and fresh beginnings.
English phrases like new beginnings and fresh start are common. 21. Simple Christmas conversation practice.
Let's imagine a simple Christmas conversation.
Talking about Christmas is very common in English.
People ask questions about plans and traditions.
This helps build small talk skills.
Small talk is important in daily English conversations.
Christmas topics are friendly and easy to discuss.
22. Christmas and English learning.
Christmas is a great theme for learning English.
It includes vocabulary, culture, and emotions.
Listening to Christmas podcasts helps improve comprehension.
Repeating words helps improve pronunciation.
Daily listening builds confidence.
Confidence is key in spoken English.
Christmas teaches us about love, sharing, and togetherness.
It reminds us to slow down and appreciate life.
Learning English through culture makes learning enjoyable.
Language and culture go together.
We hope this extended episode helped you learn English naturally.
Thank you for spending your time with Deep Dive, the English podcast.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving.
We wish you a warm and joyful Christmas season.
See you in the next episode.
Happy learning and happy holidays.